Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable night light feature in Windows 11. If you don't know, the night light feature helps you adjust the colors on your screen to make it easier on your eyes and help you sleep. It works by filtering out the blue light and it displays a warmer color at night. So, this can help reduce eye strain and promote a healthy sleep pattern. So let's learn how to turn this useful feature on or off depending upon your needs. So first, let's go to the settings. Now, once you are in the settings, you need to go to the system tab. Once you are in the system, you can see the display option. Simply click on the display option and here in the second part you can see the night light feature. You can turn it on or off depending upon your suitability. If you want to turn it on, simply click on the off toggle and it will be turned on and it will display a warmer tint on the screen, which will give a soothing effect to your eyes. Or else, if you want to turn it off, simply click the toggle off. You may also do another operations like you can set the intensity or the strength of the particular night light according to your needs, or you may also schedule it if you want it to open automatically for a number of hours or depending upon the time of the day. You can also choose to set the location settings. Now, this feature is actually helpful if you have strainy eyes. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.